maybe like in our city or don't like?
The cheap beer.
and the women.
Oh, yeah. Will you offer your friends to go to Belarus when you come home?
Absolutely.
Oh, we're coming back. We're coming back.
We want to come back. We want to come back.
What's it hard to travel to Belarus?
No, well, there's one airline, Belavia, that flew direct to Belarus, Minsk, and so, that's
Okay, and what are your first emotions about Belarus, about Minsk? About
lovely. The people are polite, it's friendly, love it. I'd love to stay here longer.
Maybe you've already heard sometime before about Belarusian football or Belarusian football players, maybe.
Pleb.
We've only come to see you,
Alexander Pleb.
We've only come to see you, Come see you,
So do you like him?
He was good. He was good while he was on
And what do you think? Maybe it's time for him to return to Arsenal?
No, it's okay. It's okay. He can coach. Leaving Arsenal.
Yeah, he can coach Belarus team, the football team.
He should have stayed. He should have stayed.
Mooi.